The digital gold rush. Dream or reality? Ever scroll through Instagram and see those influencers living the dream life? Fast cars, exotic vacations, all thanks to their online presence. It makes you wonder, can digital marketing really make you rich? The short answer is, yes, it can. But it's not a magic button. It takes hustle, strategy, and a whole lot of heart. This isn't about overnight millions. It's about building something real, connecting with people, and providing value. The digital world is a goldmine, but you need the right tools and mindset to strike it rich. Think of it like this. Digital marketing is your storefront, your advertising agency, and your global sales team, all rolled into one. It's how you reach billions of potential customers online. Sound overwhelming? Don't worry, we'll break it down. The truth is, digital marketing has leveled the playing field. You don't need a fancy degree or a ton of cash to get started. What you need is passion, persistence, and the willingness to learn. Are you ready to dig in? Digital Marketing 101. What it is and how it works. Okay, let's cut through the jargon. Digital marketing is simply promoting your business online. It's about connecting with your target audience where they spend their time. On social media, search engines, websites, and more. Imagine this. You've got a killer product, but nobody knows about it. Digital marketing shines a spotlight on what you offer. It's like putting up a giant billboard in Times Square, except it's way cheaper and reaches a global audience. How does it work? Think of it like fishing. You wouldn't use a fishing rod to catch a shark, right? Different digital marketing channels require different strategies. Social media is about building relationships, search engine optimization, SEO is about getting found on Google, and email marketing is about nurturing leads. The key is to find the right channels for your business and craft a message that resonates with your audience. It's about providing value, building trust, and ultimately, converting leads into loyal customers. The upside. Why digital marketing is a game changer. Here's the exciting part. Digital marketing gives you superpowers traditional marketing could only dream of. First off, it's incredibly scalable. You can reach thousands, even millions of people with a single campaign. Try doing that with flyers. Second, it's way more affordable than traditional advertising. Think billboards, TV commercials, print ads, all costing a fortune. Digital marketing lets you target your ideal customer directly, maximizing your return on investment. Third, it's all about speed. You can launch a campaign in minutes and start seeing results almost instantly. Need to make a change? No problem. Digital marketing is flexible and adaptable. But the real magic happens when you connect with your audience on a personal level. Digital marketing allows you to build relationships, spark conversations, and create a community around your brand. That's powerful stuff. Rags to riches. Digital marketing success stories. Don't just take my word for it. Countless entrepreneurs have built empires from scratch using the power of digital marketing. Take Sarah Blakely, founder of Spanx. She started by selling fax machines door to door. Then, she had an idea for a product and used digital marketing to turn it into a billion-dollar business. Or look at Gary Vaynerchuk. That's me. I took my family's local wine store and grew it into a $60 million business using, you guessed it, tiny digital marketing. I was creating YouTube videos before anyone knew what YouTube was. These stories prove that with hard work, creativity, and a solid digital marketing strategy, anything is possible. The internet is filled with inspiring stories of everyday people achieving extraordinary success. You could be next. Section 5. The downside, risks and challenges to watch out for. Now, let's get real. Digital marketing isn't all sunshine and rainbows. It's a competitive landscape, and there are risks involved. One of the biggest challenges is market saturation. Everyone's vying for attention online, so you need to be strategic and stand out from the crowd. Another challenge is the ever-changing digital landscape. What worked yesterday might not work tomorrow. You need to be adaptable, willing to learn, and constantly innovate to stay ahead of the curve. And yes, there's always the risk of financial loss. Like any business venture, digital marketing requires investment, and there's no guarantee of success. But with the right knowledge and approach, you can minimize risks and maximize your chances of success. The key is to go in with your eyes wide open. Understand the challenges, be prepared to adapt, and never stop learning. The digital world rewards those who are willing to put in the work. Section 6. Navigating the digital marketing maze. Tips for beginners. Feeling overwhelmed? Don't worry, everyone starts somewhere. Here are a few practical tips to get you started on your digital marketing journey. 1. Define your target audience. Who are you trying to reach? What are their pain points? The more specific you are, the better you can tailor your message. 2. Choose the right channels. Don't try to be everywhere at once. Focus on the platforms where your target audience hangs out. 3. Create valuable content. Content is king. Provide value to your audience through blog posts, videos, social media updates, and more. 4. Build relationships. Engage with your followers, respond to comments, and foster a sense of community. 5. Track your results. Use analytics to see what's working and what's not. Don't be afraid to experiment and adjust your strategy along the way. Remember, digital marketing is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient, persistent, and never give up on your dreams. Section 7. The power of content. Building your online empire. Let's talk about content, baby. Content is the fuel that powers your digital marketing engine. It's how you attract, engage, and convert your target audience. But not all content is created equal. Think of it like this. You wouldn't serve a Michelin star meal on a paper plate, would you? Your content should be high quality, informative, and engaging. It should provide value to your audience and leave them wanting more. What kind of content should you create? That depends on your audience and your goals. Blog posts are great for sharing in-depth information, videos are perfect for storytelling, and social media updates are ideal for quick hits of engagement. The key is to be consistent and provide value. Don't just talk about yourself. Provide solutions to your audience's problems. Become a trusted resource, and they'll keep coming back for more. Section 8. Measuring success. Analytics and data-driven decisions. Here's the thing about digital marketing. It's measurable. You can track every click, every like, every conversion. This data is gold. It tells you what's working, what's not, and how to improve your strategy. Don't be afraid of the numbers. Embrace analytics tools like Google Analytics. They provide valuable insights into your audience's behavior, your website traffic, and your overall campaign performance. Use this data to make informed decisions. Are people engaging with your content? Are they clicking on your ads? Are they converting into customers? The answers to these questions will guide your strategy and help you achieve your goals. Remember, digital marketing is all about testing, measuring, and optimizing. It's a continuous process of improvement, driven by data and insights. Section 9. Digital marketing. Your ticket to a better life. So, can digital marketing really change your life? Absolutely. But it's not about getting rich quick. It's about building something meaningful, connecting with people, and providing value. It's about taking control of your destiny, being your own boss, and creating a life you love. It's about using the power of the internet to share your passions with the world and make a real impact. Is it easy? No. Is it worth it? Absolutely. If you're willing to put in the work, embrace the challenges, and never stop learning, digital marketing can be your ticket to a brighter future. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and crush it.